is still daunting to look at nearly 5 months later. The destruction from the Memorial Day floods along the Blanco River in Wimberley. As homes and business owners try to work to repair the damage, several organizations are working to prevent this kind of destruction from happening again. And they're spreading their message using an eye-opening video posted online.
Memorial Day flood along the Blanco is one of the worst that we've ever experienced.
It's a 14-minute video that takes just seconds to make an impression.
I'll just never get used to this. It's just a scene of ruin.
The Hill Country Alliance, Wimberley Watershed Association, and the Nature Conservancy created this video to educate landowners on ways to care for their properties that can help prevent this kind of destruction from happening again.
So this tree root ball came from this hole.
Rachel Ramft with the Nature Conservancy.
We have all of this development happening, which means more houses, more driveways, more roads, and all of that pavement sheds water off of the land, which means it's getting into the river faster, it's moving faster.
Prevention can begin by treating properties along the river as natural areas instead of well-manicured yards.
At one point we had a deck here as part of our manicured property.
So you have mowed lawns all the way down to the riverbank. You have big trees but no saplings, no understory structure. And those are the things that really hold the riverbank in times of flood.
There's also an effort underway to replant some of the 12,000 trees lost in the Memorial Day floods.
Because there's nothing holding those riverbanks right now.
And we have a link to the full 14-minute video posted on ksat.com. Just click on this story.